looks like so far. Purple Barracuda following us. Maybe it'll clear up. All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe, and I'm not in Texas. I think it's hailing in Texas. I'm in Holly Springs, Mississippi. And this is the Holly Springs Motorsports Park. This is where they had the Summit Racing Bracket Nationals for IHRA. So I talked to the guy and said, you care if I walk down the track and look? He didn't care. We got here pretty early. Really nice place. It's been 10 years since I've been here. There's the old Purple Barracuda over there. Hopefully I can win something with that today. Lots and lots of parking. The parking's wild out here. Some girl doing a dance and her baby. But yeah, lots of nice rigs so far. Joe's here to help me. He's out walking over there. I'm gonna go check out that clean duster here in just a minute. So far, that's the only two Mopars I've seen here. I wanted to walk down this way and show you the shutdown. Wait 1 second and I'll be right back for that. Now I'm a little closer. You can see the cone right there is 330. And the shutdown, there's the mile/hour cone, the ET cone. Shutdown is uphill. So after you finish your pass, it goes just like that. Kind of slows you down. It almost looks like the track is uphill. I may have to ask them and see, but that's cool. See the Summit flags, probably from last year sometime. But time trial's about 30 minutes. I'm ready to go, hopefully.
72.
72?
Yeah, the wheel.
What engine's in it?
493.
Okay, awesome. What heads?
Indy 441s, but I sent them off to CompuFlow and had them flowed and whatever. It does pretty good, but last time I was out here, it run like 660s, and I don't know, I had something wrong with my brain or something. I didn't have the back float where it would, up where it's supposed to be.
Yes, sir.
It would run out of power in high gear.
Man.
I changed everything, and come to find out, I don't know what happened, but anyway, we changed that, and I'm hoping today.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna film you going down the track. I just wanted to ask about the car. I'll do a quick walk around on it. Boy, she's clean. So slow down a little bit. 513 reaction, 159, 60 foot. I got my tires, let the pressure back down on them, and I launched at 2200 RPM. So I'm gonna launch about 2500 this time, see what happens. Mile per hour is down from last time out to 95. Ran a 718. So hopefully this pass it'll pick up a little bit. I also adjusted my shift point. I think I had it at 5800. So I'm gonna try it at 6 now and see what happens. But I don't know how many time trials are gonna be allowed. There's not a great deal of cars here. I think everybody's probably scared from the rain, but that's okay. I'm double entered, so if I lose one round, I'm not gonna buy back. I'll just stay in the other round. And if I lose both rounds, then I'll probably buy back one. Anyway, a couple more Mopars rolled in. I'll try to film them at some point soon. And I'm gonna probably get out right now because it's hot. I think it's about 94. There's a breeze every so often, so let's go. Factory 340, 3-speed on the floor car, he said. And of course it's got a big block in it now, he said. Reaction time was a 5:13. The second one, I tried to take off a little bit quicker and had a red lit with a 461. That last pass was a 538, and I think that's my last time trial. So I'm getting a better feel for the tree. I feel like this is like the old school tree. It's got bulbs that actually screw in instead of the LED stuff. 60 foot all day long. 159.56, 159.78, 159.65. I don't think the track, it's not really greasy. It's just not like it could be, I guess. I don't know. And I mean, I could blame the track, blame whatever. I'm launching about 2,200. It feels like the happy spot. Car pulls, accelerates good when it takes off. Mile per hour's up. Last time was a 96.05, 96.13. The air, they said, is just horrible. It's really hot. There's a little breeze every so often. So I'm gonna stay dialed to 715. I am double entered, and that means I gotta run twice in the same round. So I'll run, and I can change my dial between those runs. This was explained to me, but I gotta change that. So I'll be 408X one pass. I'll run in the same round as 408. So in theory, I could, at the end of the day, be first and second place. I don't think that's really feasible, but I guess it could happen. Everything's going great with the car. It's running good. It just it's a little bit slower today. Mile per hour's down. Like I said, 60 foot's down. So, and ET's down. But I'm satisfied. So far, so good. So let's just see what today brings for us. real nice until we got to take it down in a minute. About to be some Mississippi mud around here. Around here. That's raining. We made it back from the rainstorm, monsoon of a drag strip trip. It was still a good day. I'm glad I got some passes in. I've been calling around, and I do think that track is slightly uphill. Could have cost me a little time, but it is what it is. I was just about to walk back up after that last round and go buy back for one of the 2 rounds I was entered in, and that monsoon came on, so I saved that $40, whatever it was, but I don't know. Can't get better in the car unless you take the car out. So I appreciate y'all watching, and follow along with the old 68 Barracuda. And I'll catch you next time.